Hey there, ready to test your knowledge? Let's test your knowledge on GREC Real Estate Agent Exam 5 Crucial Tips Everyone Misses. Question 1. A buyer of a common interest development, CID, is entitled to receive all except A. Homeowner warranty, B. CC&Rs, C. HOA bylaws, D. HOA financial statement. The correct answer is homeowner warranty. CID buyers typically receive association documents. A homeowner warranty is separate and not part of required HOA disclosures. Question 2. A broker arranges a sale and opens escrow. But before closing, his license is revoked. What happens to his commission? Assuming he was properly licensed when he procured the buyer. A. The seller does not have to pay any commission. B. The commission is split between the buyer and seller. C. The commission goes to a state recovery fund. D. He can still collect the commission. The correct answer is he can still collect the commission. A commission is generally earned when the broker produces a ready, willing, and able buyer and the seller accepts, if the broker was licensed at that time. Question 3. Which federal law prohibits employment discrimination against a qualified person with a disability? A. Civil Rights Act of 1964. B. Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. C. Civil Rights Acts of 1866 and 1870. D. UNRU law. The correct answer is Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA. The ADA prohibits discrimination against qualified individuals with disabilities in employment and other contexts. Question 4. A buyer's agent owes the buyer all fiduciary duties except A. Loyalty, B. Disclosure, C. Obedience, legal orders, D. Confidentiality of the seller's motivations. The correct answer is confidentiality of the seller's motivations. An agent must protect the buyer's confidential information. The seller's motivations are not the buyer agent's confidential information. Question 5. Which is generally considered a material fact that must be disclosed if known? A. A buyer's favorite paint color. B. A roof leak that affects value, desirability. C. A seller's desire to move quickly. D. A neighbor's political views. The correct answer is a roof leak that affects value, desirability. Material facts are those that could affect value or a buyer's decision, like known defects. Question 6. Net listings are generally frowned upon because they A. Usually give brokers a smaller than average commission. B. Drive down home prices. C. Are always required by law. D. Can tempt brokers to take advantage of sellers. The correct answer is can tempt brokers to take advantage of sellers, because the broker's compensation increases as the price rises above the seller's net. Conflicts of interest can occur. Question 7. A sudden, noticeable change in land due to water is A. Accretion, B. Erosion, C. Avulsion, D. Severance. The correct answer is avulsion. Avulsion is sudden. Accretion is gradual. Question 8. The state's right to acquire property when an owner dies without a will or heirs is A. Escheat, B. Claim, C. Severance, D. Eminent domain. The correct answer is escheat. Heir sheet transfers property to the state when there are no lawful heirs. Question 9. A deed that transfers title from seller to buyer at closing is typically signed by the A. Buyer only, B. Seller, grantor, C. Both buyer and seller, D. Escrow officer only. The correct answer is seller, grantor. The grantor executes the deed. The grantee typically does not sign. Question 10. A broker knew of a material roof leak and failed to disclose it to the buyer. The most likely result is A. Buyer recovers from neither party under caveat emptor. B. Buyer recovers from broker only, seller not liable. C. Buyer recovers from seller only, broker not liable. D. Buyer may recover from both, seller may recover from broker. The correct answer is buyer may recover from both, seller may recover from broker. Failure to disclose known material defects can create liability for both seller and broker. Seller may seek indemnity from the broker who failed to disclose.